yet, but I've steeped some jalapenos in some tequila, which is gonna absorb the heat of the jalapeno really quickly.
Okay, I'm so gay for you right now. You are amazing.
Oh my God.
You're amazing.
I'm like living a dream right now, by the way. Like, I don't know if I can say that, but it's true.
Thank you, honey.
So
okay, pour that through there.
pour
You
it in
just
here.
strain it out, so
Yeah.
you're just infusing.
Yeah, no need to have that in there. And then we've got some grapefruit juice. This is fresh.
Delicious.
Sometimes you'll get pink ones. That's fun, too. And then some sugar.
A little bit of sugar,
Yeah.
right? Because you're making the promise of a popsicle.
Yeah. And
then
stir that up.
you put them into these adorable little cone shapes.
Oh my God, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
So cute. And we peel this, right?
Yeah.
You see, I'm a learner.
She learned. So
Look at that.
if that wasn't cute enough because it looks like a, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's more.
But wait, she says there's more.
There's more.
What?
We're gonna up the cute because we just made chili, salt, and then we're gonna roll them around in it because
I
don't
can't
know.
even look at her.
I don't know.
She's driving me so crazy. Oh my God, that's brilliant.
If you're not ordering your margarita with salt on the rim, I don't know if we're friends, but I think that you do.
I'm a salty girl.